Welcome, in front of me is a Hammer Iron 3 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through factory mode. So to get started, let's hold power key, select power off and wait for the device to shut off, which will be indicated by the vibration. And there was the vibration. So after that, you want to hold power key, volume down, and when you feel the vibration, which will indicate the device is powering on, you want to let go of only the power key. So power, volume down, vibration, let go of power key, and there we go. We're now in factory mode. So from here you want to scroll down using volume down only till you select the clear eMMC. If you passed it, you can just simply cycle through it again by continuously pressing volume down. And once it's selected, press power key to confirm it. And it will begin the process. So this will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it has, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.